Hello, I'm Claire Murdoch and I'm the National Director for Mental Health, Learning Disability and Autism, working at NHS England and NHS Improvement. It gives me a lot of pleasure to open World Autism Awareness Week. The team in the NHS that I work with, Aaron, who's helped me make this film and given me my notes, and others, have formed since June 2020. This was our autism team in the NHS. Since last year, and it's been less than a year, our team have been really busy working with people with lived experience, advisors and others, to really help be clear what the strategy for the NHS ought to be and ensure we get better health outcomes. The kinds of things that we think are really important for children, young people and adults, we know, one, that we need to improve access to diagnosis. We're still diagnosing people too late, and we've got various plans in place to ensure that we can both diagnose people sooner and younger, and we can put better post-diagnostic support in place. So really important. Two, we want to reduce health inequalities. So we know that people often have health problems, cardio, or with epilepsy, or with their mental health, for example. And things we need to do to improve that is make sure that people have a GP, that they find it easy to see their GP regularly, that, for example, they have an annual health check, that they have a mental health check as part of that and are able to talk about things that are bothering them, that we can review any medication people might be on. Now, we know to do that regularly, we also have to think about what reasonable adjustments we need to make to enable people to use those services whenever they need to and look after their physical health. So that's two. Number three, we are really focusing on access to mental health treatment. So we're doing lots of work around mental health support teams in schools, for example, and making sure the counsellors and therapists that work in those teams know all about autism and how to identify it so that they can refer on to specialists, all the way through to adult mental health services. We know it's really important to remove the barriers to care. And the fourth thing that we are investing in and working on is better research, understanding more about the things that will work well for and with people to bring about a better quality of life. And all of that, we hope, will enable people to live better lives, more empowered lives, healthier lives and happier lives, and spend less time, or ideally no time, in hospital. So we certainly want to reduce the numbers of people in hospital. So I say happy Autism Awareness Week, but also let's all take this seriously and commit to learn something new and make a change that will make a difference.